Hey guys, welcome back. So with all the fun Valentine's stuff that I've been seeing, I was browsing through Pinterest the other day and I came across these book stacks that I thought were super cute, and Dollar Tree has a perfect wood crate that makes this DIY even more fun. It's super cute, super simple, and the perfect little addition to your coffee bar, your mantle, really anywhere you put it, it's gonna be cute. So the next time you're at Dollar Tree, pick this up for a fun DIY. I'm using chalked up paint in Blanco. It's my go-to white. You can find it over on shopantitay.com, and I have a discount code for you guys down below if you guys are interested in trying it out. I'm just going to coat this one time, wait for it to dry, sand it, and then give it a second coat. Okay guys, I'm going to stop talking so that you guys can enjoy the video. If you do enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you do try out this fun craft, please tag us over on Instagram. I would love to see what you guys come up with. And I will see you guys in the next video.